तू सीएमओ तुका उलोवपाक सारकें रीत येना. आतां प्रेसाचो एक मनीस आयिल्लो इंजेक्शन मारपाक. यू कॅनॉट गायड हिम प्रॉपरली. यू लर्न टू कंट्रोल युअर टंग. यू आर अ डॉक्टर. Don't force me to act. Put your hands out first when you're standing in front of me. I generally don't lose my cool. But you have to behave yourself. However much you're loaded, you will talk properly to the patient. And guide the patient. Urban health center and चल, हांगा चल म्हण तूं कित्याक रावला हांगा मागीर? कित्या खातीर जॉब घेता गव्हर्मेंटान? उलोवपाक रीत आसूंक जाय तुका. तूं डॉक्टर तूं. मास्क काड पयलीं, म्हाका तोंड पळोवंक जाय तुजें. सांबाळून एका सस्पेन्शन ऑर्डर काढा and kick him out from here. These doctors don't understand unless you understand you're here to serve humanity. You're not here with your bloody ego. I am telling you what I'm saying. You're not authorized to speak when I'm speaking.